If you're born in Dhanu Rashi, 2025 brings both challenges and blessings. Shani may test your patience at home and in relationships, while Guru and Rahu open powerful doors for growth, prosperity and recognition. I'm Archana Murthy, and in the next few minutes I'll share what these planetary shifts mean for you and how to make the best of them. Here's what we'll cover. Shani's move into Meena and the challenges of Kantaka Shani. Guru's shift into Mithuna and its benefits for marriage and partnership. Rahu's entry into Kumbha and the gains it promises through networks and achievements. If you're new here, I share authentic Jyotisha rooted in classical texts every week. Subscribe and stay connected so you don't miss these insights. Brihad Parashara Hora Shastram describes Dhanu Rashi as Dhanurdvaja Mukha Pruchosya Brihaspatir Grahadipaha Ratri Vela Sitha Varnaha Shyamognimayi Tatha. This means Dhanu Rashi rises with its head, has its tail at the end, is ruled by Brihaspati, Jupiter, is positioned for the night time, dark or brown in complexion and fiery in disposition. So as a Dhanur native, you're optimistic, adventurous and philosophical by nature. You seek freedom, truth and higher learning. Ruled by Guru, you naturally expand through wisdom and exploration. Yet, restlessness or overconfidence can sometimes create imbalance. In 2025, Shani demands emotional grounding, while Guru and Rahu reward effort with tangible success. On March 29, Shani entered Meena Rashi, your 4th house, which is like Kantaka Shani, a challenging phase. Unhappiness, unnecessary worries, domestic disturbances and lack of peace at home. Feels like you're in exile. Disagreements with spouse, relatives and superiors. In career, there could be delays, issues with the management, with finances, saved money may drain through unwanted expenditure. With respect to health, prone to colic or gas or joint pain and mental distress. With Guru's transit, until May, Guru was in Vrishabha. After May, he moved into Mithuna, your 7th house. A Guru Bala position bringing significant positivity. Strong prospects for marriage, partnership or collaborations. Family life improves with harmony, comfort and mutual support. Possibility of new vehicles, luxuries or real estate investments. Help from professionals, lawyers, doctors, consultants likely to bring success in career promotions, financial gains and new opportunities can be seen. Professional foreign travel or business proposals on the rise. Excellent period for wealth building, partnerships and recognition. Health and vitality improves, inner confidence rises. With the Rahu transit on May 24th, Rahu entered Kumbha Rashi, your 11th house, while Ketu moved into Simha, forming a Raja Yoga Rahu. New friendships, social expansions and gain through networks, success and recognition in profession and social circles, growth in wealth, business expansion and fulfillment of desires. Increased income possible through foreign sources or digital ventures, acquisition of property, domestic comforts and professional success. With health, overall improvement and renewed enthusiasm is seen through Rahu. A few practical tips with respect to career and finance. Shani tests your domestic peace, but Guru and Rahu bring strong professional and financial progress. So focus on expansion and long-term ventures rather than quick gains. Avoid unnecessary expenses and manage wealth wisely. When it comes to relationships and family, Guru strengthens partnerships and family harmony. Rahu expands your social life, but choose your company wisely. Patience and humility will keep relationships balanced under Shani's pressure. With respect to health and inner balance, guard against stress-related issues like joint pain and fatigue. Maintain emotional balance through grounding practices. So pilgrimage, prayer and meditation can help restore your inner calm. A yearly flow summary. Early year, Shani's pressure may disturb home comfort and family stability. After March, Kantaka Shani requires discipline and patience. After May, Guru in Mithuna strengthens relationships, brings prosperity and progress. So the second half, when Rahu comes into Kumbha, it enhances growth, wealth and fulfillment of desires. By year's end, despite Shani's emotional challenges, Guru and Rahu will help you achieve stability, prosperity and respect. An important reminder, these are general Rashi insights. They offer only a slice of the whole picture. Your individual horoscope and running dashas reveal the complete story. So for clarity, always check your chart. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which part of this prediction feels most relevant for you? Are you already sensing Shani's pressure or Guru's blessings? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this helped you understand your year ahead, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly Vedic astrology insight. And if you would like to explore your chart in depth, you can always connect with me for a personal consultation. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay aligned. Dhanyavadaha.